Here's Chris, here's Sue. Chris has a list of 1,000 subscribers and wants to build his list fast. Sue has a list of over 30,000 subscribers and wants to make money. Sue is willing to advertise Chris's offer for 50 cents per click. But first, Chris wants to test the quality of her list and the performance of his sales funnel before he buys all her clicks. So he decides to buy 300 clicks for $150 to be delivered on a specific time and date. He makes a payment to Sue and he gives her his swipe email. Sue checks his email, his squeeze page and her schedule to see if everything is okay, and then agrees to the offer. Sue sends out Chris's email to a segment of a list. Chris receives 300 clicks. His landing page converts at 33%, so 100 people subscribe. Out of those 100 subscribers, one person buys his main offer. But Chris knows he needs to make at least $150 in sales to cover his expenses, or else the system won't work. So he adds a $47 upsell and another $97 upsell to his sales funnel. So now, if one customer buys all three offers, he will have made just over $153 in sales, he will have turned a small profit, and will have gained 100 new subscribers from a $150 ad spend. Now, there are many ways to set up his funnel. Another example would be again to offer a free gift, sell his main offer for $1, then offer a 1 to 2 hour consultation for $197 to break even, and to follow up with affiliate offers to turn a profit. This way he increases the conversion rates of his main offer, builds a list of buyers, and can deliver more value to his customers, who will eventually spend more with him over time. The key here is to break even as quickly as possible, ideally on the same day the solo ad is sent out, because you don't want to wait weeks, even months just to break even, as you may run into cash flow issues. Then, when you have a profitable funnel, you'll be able to buy more solo ads from other sellers, and continue to build your list for free and even turn a profit. One other thing you should be aware of are scammers. There are people out there who will sell you fake traffic and use scripts to emulate subscribers that sign up and click confirmation links, but never buy products or open your emails. So a way around this is to use a tracking link software like ClickMagick to filter out fake traffic and prevent them from entering your sales funnel. Another advantage of link tracking is that you can track every metric of your sales funnel, from your sign-up rate to your sale conversion rates, affiliate sales, how long it takes for a sale to occur, and even track multiple sources of traffic at the same time, so you can determine who your best sellers are and which ones are losing you money. This is why it's so important to work on your sales funnel, deliver value, and improve your skills as a marketer, because this allows you to continuously spend on advertising and leverage the time and effort of other people who have spent years building the email list. And once you build a massive email list of your own, not only will you profit from your ongoing promotions, but now you're in a position to become a solo ad seller yourself, and then you can sell traffic to other marketers for 50 cents to $1 or more per click. So if you generate say 500 clicks, you can sell that for a minimum of $250. Sell one solo ad per week and that's an additional $1,000 per month income stream. So the keynotes are to aim for a 30% sign-up conversion rate, as you can improve your sign-up rates as you build your sales funnel. Have a $1 to $10 offer in place immediately after sign-up, so you can test the offer and make sure it converts consistently, build a list of buyers, and continue to develop your sales funnel. Have an upsell or a high-ticket offer in place to break even or turn a profit with your ads. Sell something like an advanced version of your main offer, lifetime membership access for a one-time fee, consultations, and so on. Set up 7 to 30 daily emails to remind your subscribers about your offers, because this maximizes the chance of making sales with new leads. Use a link tracker to check the quality of the traffic and your conversion rates, because you want to ensure you're buying real traffic, getting real subscribers, and you want to track every click, action, sign up, and purchase within your sales funnel. Buy 200 to 300 clicks to test a solo ad seller, then buy more from that person if you're successful. You want to make sure that the seller is trustworthy and that you are able to make sales. Then you're in a position to scale up and buy more clicks. Improve every metric of your sales funnel to maximize your profits. This includes things like sign-up rates, sale conversion rates, pricing, your sales video, bonuses, upsells, back-end offers, guarantees, email subject lines, open rates, click rates, and so on. Remember, your sales funnel is what funds the entire campaign and keeps the system going. If you can break even quickly, you'll build a list of tens of thousands for free and turn a profit faster. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.